Hello, Diane. Thank you again for allowing me to do the demonstration speech from home. What I'm going to be doing today is demonstrating how to get your fishing pole set up. As you can see, I'm holding it in my hand kind of awkwardly. Fishing pole set up to go steelhead fishing, bobber style. So, first thing just to kind of throw out there, I got 20-pound test line on the pole already, which is a 9/6 rod. This allows for leverage and strength if you do catch a fish. I don't know if the camera can see it, but I already have a bobber stopper located on the line. And what this does is allows you to set the depth for where the bobber will suspend your bait in the water. So you got your bobber stopper on. I go ahead, grab a bead out of here, which I hopefully can get on quick. I usually takes me a few seconds. Bear with me. Kind of limp around a little bit. Get that. There we go. There's the bead. What this does is it prevents the bobber from going over that yarn that I have wrapped around the line. That sets the depth. Go ahead and slide the bobber on. Bright colors up. Got the orange and yellow side up. So when it's sitting out in the water, you can see it obviously. So now we got the bobber on. And what I have here, I already have it set up just because I'm not teaching people how to really tie hooks. There's so many different styles of hooks, but what I like to do is the egg loop hook or the egg loop knot. Oh, let me get on my knee. It's kind of difficult to stand. What it does is allows the fisherman to pull your line out like that, and if you want to put bait on it, you can wrap this loop around it and then tighten your bait within the line so it stays secure on the hook. Okay, so as you can see, I got just a regular swivel here. Go ahead and grab the weight. Slide the weight on. This bobber is meant for 3/8 of an ounce, and that's what I have here. Anything more than that will sink the bobber. So you always got to make sure that you have the correct weight under the bobber or your bobber is going to sink, or it's not going to, if you don't have enough weight, then it'll sit crooked out there because there won't be enough weight to pull the bobber up straight so it looks, so it's presentable basically so you can see it if you get a bite. So now that I got the weight on, I'll take that egg loop hook that I tied with the swivel already. And what I'm going to do here real quickly is just show a Palomar knot, which is a pretty common knot for strength if you're fishing. So you take your, whatever, it could be a hook or a swivel, just whatever whenever you're tying a knot, you can take the line, you go through once, and then you come back through the same hole but the opposite direction. And I'll show you what that looks like. So on both sides, it's suspended between them. You can go back and forth, right? And then you want to do an overhand knot. I don't know if she's catching that. Pretty sure she is. She's a great camera woman. And then I come back through the knot that I made. So overhand knot, and then I pull that loop. And then now I want to bring the swivel and anything else, in this case a hook, back through that knot. That looked a little crooked, but in person it makes perfect sense. Come on, baby. You gotta be real particular on how you get it. There she goes. And then now you just want to pull that tight. You got a really secure knot. Braided line you can't really cut with your teeth like you can monofilament. And that's another thing I want to explain real quick. Is that steelhead are very sensitive fish. They're very finicky on what they eat. So what I have here is 15-pound test monofilament line. And it's actually, sorry, I'm just all over the place. Just real crooked and awkward. My back and legs are killing me. But I'm pushing through. 15-pound test monofilament line. You can get at any fishing store, and what it is ultra green color. It's fluorescent, so the water goes right through it, or you can't see it. 15-pound test attached to the swivel, which is attached to 20-pound braided line. And give you a good visual on what this looks like. Not a lot of room in the living room, but a reel. This is kind of awkward because the pole is a 9.6 and the ceiling is probably only 8 feet, so it's a little difficult. And what you have here is leader line, swivel, weight, bobber, beads, and then a bobber stopper at the top. You are ready to go steelhead fishing. Pretty much anywhere in the Columbia Gorge, whether it's lakes, rivers. Rivers, it's nice to throw out this setup so you can watch it drift, get good takedowns, and then obviously if you're in still water like a lake or the Columbia River where the stream isn't very swift, you can just let it sit out there and have fun, catch some big fish. Thank you for allowing me to do this presentation from home once again, and that is my conclusion and set up on how to do steelhead fishing. Thank you.